So as I mentioned, early adopters, that was the approach we took instead of trying to do a mandate, which is something that we talked about, was we've got to get all the APIs in the gateway, and every API from this point on has to be in the gateway. And we quickly shut that mandate down because that was the wrong idea for multiple reasons. One was we didn't have alignment in the organization that all APIs should even be in the gateway. And so we took that as a learning experience from this to say, okay, let's not try and do that. Let's not try and force that. Let's show the value, and then people will come and start to get on the platform. And let's look for early adopters, hold their hand, make sure their experience is a success. And then, as we see issues and things like that, we have the ability to respond and pivot, versus trying to do it out of the floodgates. And then we focused on internal first. We just thought that made sense for us before we tried to tackle external, get our ducks in a row that way. And then the automation piece, so this was really important for us because we were so focused on the culture of automating everything, continuous delivery, continuous integration, and automation around all of that. And so we automated every aspect of the API management, from getting your APIs deployed to get your client registrations, your OAuth tokens, all of that. We spent a ton of time getting that to work. And the great story about this is that the API management platform and the application is built on top of a REST API for the API manager. And so if the API management application doesn't necessarily do everything that you need right now, and you need to do something special in your organization, you've got the APIs there that you can do all of those things that the application can do. And so we actually did some of that. We built some of our own promotion utility because we had such a big focus on how we wanted to automate things from start to finish. So that was I think a good testament to the power of APIs. Is that you can build applications on top of them, but you never really know exactly how everyone wants to use them. But if you expose those raw APIs, people can then go and do whatever they need to do. So that was a real key thing for us.